After heating the pen from bottom and pressing on the solid surface, it look like this. Just at the bottom there is a, as such there is no hole, but you need to make a hole at the bottom with the help of a small pin, very small hole. Okay, so that liquid comes from this device, or this is a homemade stalagmometer, drop by drop. So this look like this. Now what we have to do, we have to mark a 3 marking on this device. So likewise we have to made a 3 marking on the homemade stalagmometer. First marking at the bottom, this one. Above that another marking, and this one is a. What we have to do, while sucking through mouth pipetting, we need to suck the sample liquid up to this mark. Let us come to this mark and then count the drop one by one from this marks to these marks. Okay, I demonstrate one. These are the samples. This is a water sample, and another one is the sample with a say Vim liquid. So I have added that means surfactant into it. Definitely because of the addition of surfactant, there is a decrease in the surface tension. So by using mouth pipetting, okay, so take this into the hand and see the liquid come from the bottom by drop. When the liquid just passes from the upper line, start counting drop. Likewise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Likewise, so this we have performed with this. Now we can perform the same with the sample of water having a surfactant. Definitely because of the addition of surfactant, the drop holding capacity is decreases, and that's why number of drop will be going on increasing. Okay, so this is because surfactant what do, it reduces the surface tension between the molecules, and that's why. Okay, so just do the mouth pipetting again. What we have to do, the mouth pipetting on the upper part, and then again count the number of drops. Okay, when it just crosses the upper mark, you have to start the counting. Okay, start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So by this way we have calculated the number of drops from water and number of drops from water sample having a surface tension, and now we are going to see the calculation part. Okay.